Assalamu alaikum student, welcome to MDCAD with SK. In this video we will discuss 60 most repeated MDCAD physics MCQs. First MCQs, kinematics and motions में से the slope of velocity and time graph represent displacement, acceleration, speed, force. So correct option B, acceleration. Next MCQs, the area under velocity time graph gives acceleration, displacement, speed, momentum. So correct option B, displacement. Next MCQs, if a body returned to its initial position, its displacement is zero, maximum constant negative. So correct option A, 0. Next MCQs, the SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square, Newton, Joule. So correct option B, meter per second square. Next MCQs, if velocity is constant, acceleration is 0, constant, infinite, negative. So correct option A, 0. Next MCQs, a body moving with uniform speed in a circle has constant velocity, changing velocity, zero acceleration. So correct option B, changing velocity. Next MCQs, forces and laws of motion में से Newton's first law of motion is also called law of acceleration, law of inertia, law of action reaction, law of force. So correct option B, law of inertia. Next MCQs, force is equal to mass multiplied by velocity, mass multiplied by acceleration, power multiplied by time, momentum multiplied by distance. So correct option B, mass multiplied by acceleration. Next MCQs, action and reaction act on the same body, on different bodies, on the system as a whole. None of these. So correct option B, on different bodies. Next MCQs, friction is a non-conservative force, conservative force, nuclear force, gravitational force. So correct option A, non-conservative force. Next MCQs, unit of force is correct option B, Newton. Next MCQs, momentum is conserved when no external force acts, force is maximum, displacement is zero, power is constant. So correct option A, no external force acts. Next MCQs, work, power and energy में से SI unit of work is joule, watt, newton, अर्ज. So correct option A, joule. Next MCQs, unit of power is joule, watt, newton, horsepower. So correct option B, watt. Next MCQs, kinetic energy formula is 1/2 mv square mv mgh ft. So correct option A, 1/2 mv square. Next MCQs, potential energy depends on mass and height, velocity, acceleration, force. So correct option A, mass and height. Next MCQs, work is said to be done when force is applied, displacement occurs, force causes displacement, energy is stored. Correct option C, force causes displacement. Next MCQs, horsepower is equal to 746 वाट, 1000 वाट, 550 वाट, 10 वाट. So correct option A, 746 वाट. नेक्स्ट MCQ, सर्कुलर मोशन एंड ग्रेविटेशन में से सेंट्रीपेटल फोर्स एक्ट्स अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर टुवर्ड द सेंटर, टेंजेंटियली आउटवर्ड. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, टुवर्ड द सेंटर. नेक्स्ट MCQs, the unit of gravitational constant is Newton meter square per kilogram, Newton meter per kilogram square, Newton per kilogram square, Newton meter square per kilogram. So correct option A, Newton meter square over per kilogram square. Next MCQs, Weight is scalar, vector, dimensionless, constant everywhere. Correct option B, vector. Next MCQs. Escape velocity of Earth is about 7 km per second, 9.8 km per second, 11.2 km per second, 15 km per second. So correct option C, 11.2 km per second. Next MCQs. Orbital velocity depends on radius of orbit, mass of body only, velocity of satellite, shape of orbit. So correct option A, radius of orbit. Next MCQs. Earth is an inertial frame, non-inertial frame, absolute frame, rest frame. So correct option B, non-inertial frame. Next MCQs. Oscillations and waves में से the time period of simple pendulum depends on mass, length, both mass and length, amplitude. So correct option B, length. Next MCQs. SI unit of frequency is hertz, joule, watt, decibel. So correct option A, hertz. Next MCQs. Resonance occurs when driving frequency is equal to natural frequency, force is equal to displacement, energy is maximum, damping is maximum. So correct option A, driving frequency is equal to natural frequency. Next MCQs. Sound waves are transfer wave, longitudinal, both electromagnetic waves. So correct option B, longitudinal waves. Next MCQs. Velocity of sound is maximum in solids, liquids, gases, vacuum. So correct option A, solid. Next MCQs. Unit of spring constant is Newton per meter, Newton per second, joule per meter, Newton meter. So correct option A, Newton per meter. नेक्स्ट MCQs thermodynamics में से first law of thermodynamics is law of momentum conservation, energy conservation, mass conservation, inertia. So correct option B, energy conservation. Next MCQs. The SI unit of heat is watt, joule, calorie, Newton. Heat is the energy, so correct option B, joule. Next MCQs. Specific heat is heat required to raise 1 gram of substance by 1 K. Heat required to raise 1 kilogram by 1 K. Both A and B, heat per mole. So correct option B, heat required to raise 1 kilogram by 1 K. Next MCQs. Entropy is measure of order, disorder, work, energy. So correct option B, disorder. Next MCQs. Heat cannot itself flow from hot to cold, cool to hot, solid to gas, liquid to solid. So correct option B, cool to hot. Next MCQs. SI unit of thermal conductivity is watt per meter per Kelvin, joule per meter per Kelvin, Newton per meter per Kelvin, watt per meter square. So correct option A, watt per meter per Kelvin. नेक्स्ट MCQs इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में से कोलम्स लॉ इज सिमिलर टू Hooke's law, Newton's law of gravitations, Ohm law, Ampere's law. So correct option B, Newton's law of gravitation. Next MCQs. The unit of charge is ampere, coulomb, volt, farad. So correct option B, coulomb. Next MCQs. Electric field is scalar, vector, constant, dimensionless. So correct option B, vector quantity. Next MCQs. Potential difference is measured in ampere, volt, joule, watt. So correct option B, volt. Next MCQs. Capacitance unit is ohm, volt, farad, Henry. So correct option C, farad. Next MCQs, capacitance. Capacitor stores charge, voltage, current, resistance. So correct option A, charge. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, करंट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में से ओहम्स लॉ स्टेट्स V इज इक्वल टू I ओवर R ओवर I, P ओवर V. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए, V इज इक्वल टू IR. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, यूनिट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इज एम्पेयर, वोल्ट, ओहम, वॉट. करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, ओहम. नेक्स्ट एमसीक्यूज, conductance is reciprocal of power, resistance, voltage, energy. So correct option B, resistance. Next MCQs, unit of electric power is joule, watt, coulomb, ohm. So correct option B, watt. Next MCQs, SI unit of current is correct option A, ampere. Next MCQs, resistivity unit is ohm meter, voltmeter, coulomb meter, watt meter. So correct option A, ohm meter. Next MCQs from electromagnetism. Magnetic field is produced by moving charges, stationary charges, neutral particles, heat. So correct option A, moving charges. Next MCQs, unit of magnetic flux is Tesla, Weber, Henry, Farad. So correct option B, Weber. Next MCQs, Ampere's law relates magnetic field to current, voltage, resistance, force. So correct option A, current. Next MCQs, transformer work on AC only, DC only, both AC and DC, constant current. So correct option A, alternating current only. Next MCQs, Faraday's law is about electromagnetic induction, thermodynamics, resistance, optics. So correct option A, electromagnetic induction. Next MCQs, unit of induction is Henry, Farad, Ohm, Tesla. So correct option A, Henry. नेक्स्ट MCQs, मॉडर्न फिजिक्स में से फोटॉन हैज रेस्ट मास जीरो, रेस्ट मास इन्फिनाइट, रेस्ट मास कांस्टेंट, रेस्ट मास वेरिएबल. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए, रेस्ट मास जीरो. नेक्स्ट MCQs, इलेक्ट्रॉन चार्ज इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन ए, 1.6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 raised की पावर -19 कॉलम. Next MCQs, energy of photon is HF, H over lambda, mc square qv. So correct option HF, E is equal to HF. Next MCQs, X-rays are electromagnetic waves, sound waves, matter waves, longitudinal waves. So correct option A, electromagnetic waves. Next MCQs, half-life is time in which half nuclei decay, all nuclei decay, energy doubles, decay constant becomes zero. So correct option A, half nuclei decay. Next MCQs, nuclear force is strongest force in nature, weakest force in nature, same as gravitational force, same as friction. So correct option A, strongest force in nature.